So let's create a benchmark. The first thing we're going to do is select the department that we're going to create the benchmark for. This could be to represent an open requisition within that department, or perhaps we're using it to try and look at the team dynamics of the people already in place. In this case, we're going to select the customer support department. Now this department already has some people in the benchmark team, but let me show you how we'd create a new benchmark or perhaps add to the people already in the benchmark group. First of all, we simply select the codes button on the left here, and that shows us the available codes we can apply to applicants or to potential benchmark individuals. We can select as many codes as we'd like here and either send them individually to the participants, or we can select multiple codes and then send them all to an administrator or hiring manager so that they can send the codes out themselves with a personal message. Once the codes have been sent and the surveys have been taken, the benchmark group is automatically formed. Here we can see that we already have 8 people as part of this benchmark group, and we can see all of their results and details. Now we can easily change the benchmark group by simply selecting any of the individuals here and switching them back to being an employee or a normal applicant. Similarly, we can go to any other employee in the system and just as easily make them part of this benchmark group. Now that all of the people in the benchmark group have taken the survey, we can now view the benchmark shadow that has been created. Notice that we didn't spend any time in creating the benchmark other than selecting who the top performers were that we're trying to replicate. It's important to know whether we picked a similar set of individuals to make up the benchmark group. And so Shadowmatch is showing us a stability factor for both the overall 19 habits and the 5 strongest or critical habits. And in this case we can see all of the benchmark individuals have a high similarity in developing the aggregate benchmark. And there we have the completed benchmark ready to be used in the next step of the process. It's developed automatically and instantaneously as part of the survey process, and also provides us with an assurance that it's a good representation of our top performers.